If you had $1 million, would you store it under your mattress in cash? That's not that different from having all your business funds in one single account. Having only one bank account for your business, or even using your personal bank account, will likely lead to problems in managing your finances. It's always recommended that you have multiple business bank accounts for these 4 reasons. 1. Better bookkeeping. 2. Convenient separation of funds. 3. Spreading and therefore reducing risk. And 4. Managing multiple currencies. Hi, my name is Vivian and I'm from Statrys. Let's get into it. First up, better bookkeeping. Having different types of accounts for different aspects of your business can drastically improve financial management and even increase revenue. For example, surplus profits can be transferred to a higher yield savings account intended to store reserve funds long-term, while accounts with faster transfer times can hold funds that are needed to be paid out quickly. Secondly, you want multiple business bank accounts for efficient funds allocation. Separating accounts by their functions can help simplify expense and revenue tracking. It's also much more efficient to do your taxes this way. For example, imagine you can deduct business travel costs, but not meals with clients. Having separate accounts for these categories makes it easy to track deductible expenses and avoid errors on your tax returns. And it's easier to raise funding from investors if your books are well maintained too. Thirdly, you'll want to reduce the risks involved with placing your money in one single account. While it's extremely rare for you to have problems using a good bank, it's always a good idea to reduce the risk when you can. If you only had one account, holding all your funds and something like fraud, bank failures, or account freezing were to happen, your entire business would halt. You'd be unable to pay your employees and soon unable to service your customers and clients. You may permanently lose your business due to this issue. Additionally, most banks have deposit insurance and there's a limit per account or per bank, so spreading out your funds increases the likelihood that you'll get the most out of your funds returned to you in an insurance payout. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Lastly, if your business handles multiple currencies, you'll want multiple accounts that hold different currencies. You can transfer between these accounts when the exchange rates are more favorable, instead of being forced to exchange the money at the exact time of receiving it, which is what would traditionally happen if you had one account for all the currencies you handle. Alternatively, you may want to simply obtain a multi-currency account such as Statrys. We let you hold 11 major international currencies and have real-time competitive FX rates. Go to statrys.com to learn more about our multi-currency account. So there you have it, 4 compelling reasons to maintain multiple business bank accounts. Whether it's for better bookkeeping, organized funds, reduced risks, or managing multiple currencies, having multiple accounts will help your operations safeguard your assets. Thanks for watching.